At this moment of grave national tragedy on account of the terrible train disaster in Odisha, I have instructed the entire Congress workers and party leaders and our other organizational wings to extend all possible help and whatever needed, the party workers should do it. Apart from that, I also request the other organizations, NGOs, to extend their help irrespective of political parties. I request them come forward and help people who are in distress. Secondly, a number of Congress leaders from different states and different areas already they have reached. Yesterday night itself I spoke to my party leaders there in Odisha and also in respective states to help the people there and go there. And according to the AICC instruction, all people have gone there and now they are on the spot and they are trying to help their best. Particularly, the Chief Minister from Karnataka also has sent a special team there to take care of the distressed people, those who are badly in need of help. Thirdly, I once again extend my heartfelt condolences to the bereaved families. Really, they are in a very bad position, and I felt my deep condolences with the bereaved families, and I hope the God will give them strength to sustain this sorrow and this occasion. They will stand, they will bear all these sufferings. Fourthly, I have to ask many questions to our great Prime Minister and also the Railway Minister. They have to answer why such things are happening and who is responsible for this. So all these questions later on I will ask, but today we have to extend the relief to the suffering people. Therefore, I expect the great help from Odisha government and also the government of India and other respective states who are the passengers who are suffering in this incident.